Hello everyone. So here I am with new design of mine. So this is the new design, the trace of it. I had made it already, and and this is what I had traced on the fabric already, and the colors. I'll fix this on the stand afterwards. The colors which I had chosen for this are mostly from Anchor. These are the few colors which I'm planning to use for this design for filling up. These are the daisy. This is the daisy design, daisy flower. So mostly, as you know, daisies are filled up with white or the bright pink, red, yellow. So I am going to take the white and yellow and the greenish yellow over here. So I'll fill it with this, and the leafy I'm going to use leaf and the stem with all these beautiful green over here, and the ribbon with this beautiful pink at the end. So first I will start the design with the leaf, and leaf I will start filling the leaf with fly stitch. As you all can see, I had completed most of the design. The bow is also completed and most of the leaves are also completed. The only last leaf is left, and I'm going to complete with this color, which is the darkest color, and this is the shade 0269. It's of Anchor, and I'll be completing this leaf with fly stitch. Okay guys, so let's start doing it. We will do the fly stitch. First we have to stuff the fly stitch. Fly stitch, it's up to you how you want to make the fly stitch. It's a variation, like you can make it in a compact way, the way I'm making it right now. You can make it in a closed, compact style, enclosed. Nearby, or you can leave some space. You can if you people have any doubts regarding this, to write the comments. I'll surely love to comment on that. Love to answer them. If you have any queries, please do write to me. Subscribe my channel, follow me on Insta, YouTube and Facebook also. On my Facebook page also. have completed few leaves and few of the flowers completed, and the stems are also completed. Completing the stem stitch, it's almost finished the bow. Just it will not run 2-3 stitches at the back, so that it should not come out when we wash it or make use of it. This design we can use as a patch or for a cushion cover or any other way. Wherever you want to use it, you can use it. Okay. So as you all can see, I completed few of the flowers. The last one is still to go. Just a moment. You all can see, I had made almost the design is complete. So this is the color with which I had filled the middle portion, and I've done this with one of my favorite stitch, and that is nothing but French knot. Just how you go to do it. 1, 2, 3, and that's it. Stitches to go, I think. So guys, if you like my embroidery, please share, subscribe and comment on it. And if you have any doubts, do write it to me. I will surely reply back to you. I hope you like this. See you in the next video.